that day, kami na lang kasi yung natira doon sa table, which is nag-answer kami ng questionnaire. And then, he approached me kung ano daw yung ina-applyan ko. Kasi akala niya, kalaban niya ako for the position he is applying.
Naghanap ako ng work na walang pasok na Saturday kasi plano ko mag-take ang board exam, mag-review ng weekend. Pero ayun, hindi yung trabaho yung nakita ko pag-ibig.
And the morning speaks to these open dreams, and we're right where we
Wow! Ano to?
I'll go anywhere
Oh, wow! Thank you!
in the sunlight or underneath the moon.
First impression, syempre pogi. Matalino. Yun talaga yung ano ko sa lalaking matalino. The way he talk. May pagka-sweet na hindi halata.
It's all waiting for us.
Thank you so much sa napakagandang relo na regalo mo sa akin. Iingatan ko ito. Yan lang.
In the steady breeze, we feel the rush of expectation. Empty pages we can fill. Taking chances on a distant song that moves us forward.
Daan. Salamat sa Panginoon kasi ikaw yung binigay niya sa akin. Sana maging matatag pa rin tayo palagi. I love you.
Morning speaks to these open dreams, and we're right where we belong. I'll go anywhere with you in the sunlight or underneath the moon.
Finally, ito na yung day na inaantay natin. And I know that masaya si Lord para sa atin. So, see you later. I love you.
It's all waiting for us. Writing stories with the stars. Knew we'd get here from the start. Knew we'd get here from the start. I'll go anywhere.
Nangako ako sa harap ng ating mga pamilya, mamahalin at pagiging oras.
In the
Mahal na mahal kita. At gagawin ko lahat upang maprotektahan ng ating pamilya hanggang sa abot ng aking makakaya.
is enough. Take my hand, darling, we were born to run. It's all